Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Recime mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a helpful tool for managing recipes and meal planning. Recime is available on iOS and Android and allows users to collect, organize, and share recipes easily. The app offers features like importing recipes from websites, manual recipe entry, and categorizing recipes into folders for better organization. It also includes a meal planner and a shopping list feature to streamline grocery shopping. Users appreciate Recime for its clean interface and the convenience of keeping all recipes in one place. However, some users report occasional syncing issues between devices, limited customization options in meal planning, and that some recipe imports may lose formatting or images. Additionally, the free version has limitations, encouraging users to upgrade for full features. Overall, Recime is a solid app for those looking to organize recipes and simplify meal planning, but it may have minor usability and syncing drawbacks. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.